G'day and welcome to Adding Sequins with Jenny Brandis. The two centre pairs hold the sequin. The two outer pairs surround and lock the sequin in place. I am using cup sequins as they have a concave side that reflect the most light. The crochet hook or Lazy Susan enters from the convex side so that the concave is bottom side down. Lay the two outside pairs aside. Add an extra twist to the inner pairs so that each have two twists. Extend the length of the two inner bobbins to facilitate the loops that their pairs will go through to catch the sequin. I am left-handed, so I work the left pair first. Put the hook under the thread, raise it slightly, and ease the thread back through to form a loop. Extend the loop until it is large enough to fit the other bobbin through. Take the loop off your crochet hook, pick up the other bobbin, tucking the spangle down against the bobbin body, and put it through the loop. Ease the top bobbin down, making sure that the sequin does not flip over. Move the sequin up while making sure that the convex side is uppermost. Put your crochet hook back through the hole while making sure not to split or snag the threads. Hook under and catch the other centre bobbin, bring it back through and form a loop. At this stage, I raise the left pair and slip the working bobbin under and to the left. If you don't do this now, you will find that the sequin will flip around and turn up the wrong way. Fold down the spangles and pass the matching bobbin through the loop and tighten the loop. Pull on the bottom threads, then the top threads, and repeat that process until the sequin is butted up against the pins. There is a small bit of jiggling here, but make sure that the sequin is in place and there are no excess loops. You can place a pin through the sequin if you wish. You need to have a twist on both pairs before working the torchon ground around the sequin. Half stitch, pin, half stitch into the 3 anchoring pinholes. Tension again to ensure that there is no loops of thread under the sequin before moving on to the next one.